The original idea for Wishbeads was a paper bead making kit where you would imagine your wish, write it down on paper, roll that paper up, glue it, and create paper beads with your wishes inside. So that red squiggle is actually your handwriting. Now, when I was first introducing this, I would lead something called wish circles, where we'd gather people together and I would lead them both through the visualization and then actually through crafting your wish using the supplies. So in the kit you get scissors, you get bamboo skewers and our bead and elastic and a special glue and a Wishbeads pen. And the idea was to come together in community to not only share in the visioning and the crafting, but also sharing in what you experienced. And the idea was you would leave with this tangible, beautiful, wearable reminder of what you're ready to create in your life. Now, since then, I launched a jewelry company that's been featured in all kinds of different publications, but I recognize that it's important to get together again to host these wish circles. So be sure to check out our calendar to sign up and see where I'm hosting them in stores, whether I'm hosting them in homes, whether you're interested in actually leading your own wish circle for a special event. It's time to come together in community and support each other with building our wishes together.